Ever feel like you're constantly chasing your money? You know you should be budgeting, but the thought of manually entering every single transaction into some spreadsheet, well, let's just say it sounds less than thrilling. Enter YNAB, you need a budget. This powerful budgeting tool promises to take the stress out of managing your finances. But here's the burning question, does YNAB actually show your bank transactions? Let's dive in and find out. Now, the short answer is no, not directly. YNAB doesn't magically pull in your bank transactions like some other budgeting apps. It's more of a you tell it what to do kind of system. Think of it this way, YNAB is your financial brain, not your bank account. You feed it information, your income, your expenses, your goals, and it helps you make smart decisions with your money. So, how do you actually get your transactions into YNAB? Manual entry, this is the most common method. You simply enter each transaction manually. Sounds tedious, I know, but trust me, it's a surprisingly empowering process. You become hyper-aware of where your money is going, and you start to make more conscious spending choices. Direct import, limited YNAB does offer limited direct import capabilities. You can connect some bank accounts, but it's not a universal feature. Even then, it often requires some manual reconciliation to ensure accuracy. The benefits of manual entry, despite the effort. While manual entry might seem like a chore, it actually has some serious advantages. Forces accountability. Entering every transaction forces you to confront your spending habits. You'll quickly see where your money is disappearing to, whether it's that daily latte habit or those impulse online shopping sprees. Increased awareness. The act of manually entering transactions increases your financial awareness. You become more mindful of your spending and start to question unnecessary purchases. Greater control. With manual entry, you have complete control over your budget. You decide how to categorize each transaction, ensuring your budget accurately reflects your financial reality. YNAB's core principles, budgeting with intention. YNAB's true power lies in its core principles. Give every dollar a job. This is the heart of YNAB. Instead of just tracking your spending, you assign a specific purpose to every dollar you earn. This could be anything from rent and groceries to savings goals and fun money. Embrace your true expenses. YNAB helps you identify and budget for those irregular or unexpected expenses, like car repairs or holiday gifts. Roll with the punches. Life throws curveballs. YNAB provides the flexibility to adjust your budget on the fly, so you can handle unexpected expenses without derailing your financial goals. Finding the right budgeting method for you. Ultimately, the best budgeting method is the one that works for you. If you thrive on structure and enjoy the process of analyzing your spending, YNAB could be a game changer. Is YNAB right for you? YNAB is a powerful tool, but it's not for everyone. Pros. Teaches you valuable budgeting principles. Empowers you to take control of your finances. Highly customizable. Cons. Requires significant upfront effort, manual entry. Can have a steep learning curve. Not free, though there is a free trial. So, does YNAB show bank transactions? Not directly. But it provides you with a framework to effectively manage your money, regardless of how you get your transaction data into the system. Whether you embrace manual entry or utilize limited direct import, YNAB can help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.